Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316 Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2022 Chrysler Voyager. You can see here with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just these two fingers. It's got a handle on either side. These clamps, they keep the ramps from rattling. They're a great design. We pinch, and we flip. Very simple to do, and check it out. I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. And the rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain. So a few of the benefits to the rear entry, but we do also sell side entry if you're looking for those. We sell full size. We even do some trucks and SUVs. So if you don't see it on our website, we might have it coming up or we can find it. Give us a call. 800-pound weight capacity. Got 56 inches of room coming inside the van, and then 56 once you're inside the van. Yes, this van is ADA compliant, and it's the deep cut. You got the this deep cut here allows up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. On these Chryslers, they're about a foot deeper than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So you have a foot extra of length that comes in handy if you're trying to haul 2 chairs at a time. So this might be the answer for that as well. Now we can install a third row seat that flips down, flips up when it's not being used, so you can potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. It's got your 8 tie down points here for your tie downs for 2 wheelchairs. We throw in the Q strings at no additional charge to you. A lot of our competitors, they're going to try to charge you $500 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in, no charge to you. Got your cup holders there. We got our jump seats. 27 inches of room between those jump seats. So a standard wheelchair can go right up in between those easily, no problem. 27 inches of room. We got our headliner, looks great. We got our rear air controls over here. Got our Q strength tie down and warranty information there. Got your cup holders up front. Plug-ins for all your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air. Got your backup camera. Dash is in great shape on this van. No cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road, and you can sync up your phone as well. And you can shut all the power sliding doors up on the upper console there. As I back out of the van here, we just reverse the process. Again, one finger, check it out. Very simple. Now our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say, but I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Oh, by the way, we got a spare tire in here. I've got a picture of it on the on our pictures on our website. The spare tire in there. But our warranty is 3 years, unlimited mile on the warranty. Now, I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you no warranty. A lot of them are going to say 1 year, 12,000. Some are going to say 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those numbers to our 3 years unlimited miles, and you tell me who has the better built conversion. Pretty simple answer, right? As I do a walk around this van, very clean, hard to find a dent or a scratch on it. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it is very nice and very clean. And you hear me talk a lot about how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. It's no magic formula. The secret is low overhead. We have one location right here in the middle of the country, so I can do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. There's no border too far from me. Now, if I was in Los Angeles, I couldn't ship to New York for free, but I'm right in the middle of the country, so simple math, simple numbers. The other thing is, we've got one location. I want you to imagine all of our competitors out there with 10, 40, 100 locations. I want you to imagine the overhead with all the employees, utilities, the rent. You know, it's huge, an astronomical number. So there's no magic formula how we save you $5,000 to $10,000 over the competition. It's very simple, low overhead. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. By the way, tires on this van, not quite brand new, but they're not far from it. About 930 seconds, so tons of tread left on the tires. And no matter who you buy from, get a video of the VIN number. I see so many scams. Someone set up a Facebook picture, a Facebook entire business page with my business up there, claimed they were me. They're trying to sell a van like this for $15,000. Yeah, good luck. But so what you say to that person, anybody on the internet, give me a video of the VIN number. You know, see this sticker here? This will be very hard to duplicate in a video. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. This is my van. I got it right here with me. That's how you avoid being scammed. Make any single person you buy from get you that video, or else you're asking for problems. Also, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles. You can see just one owner, no accident or damage on this vehicle. Last owned as a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rentals. I would agree if it's a sports car, but I don't think too many people rent a minivan to take it out to hot rod it. That means highway miles. That's a good thing on a vehicle. Last owned in nice salt rust free Florida. As we scroll down, Carfax shows No salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, and no open recalls. And we can also check the warranty here. Shows the vehicle went into service November 14th of 2022. So it meets the specs to be under the full factory bumper-to-bumper warranty until November 14th, 2025, or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. And meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler until November 14th, 2027, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. Now, no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,556 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. You can find us here on Google. See, we're here in Wichita, Kansas, like I mentioned. 328 reviews and a 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time, I hear horror stories about people who bought from the general public, a private individual they knew nothing about, or they end up buying from one of the dealers that's got 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings here instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people out there selling stolen vehicles. There are people out there selling rental vehicles. They want cash for them. It's a dirty world, unfortunately. Or they end up with a van that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, major flood damage they weren't told about, or super serious mechanical issues. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star experiences, go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from someone that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, this van comes with a 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional key fobs made on your dime, you sure can, but it does have the remote start. So if you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime or the wintertime, you want to come out and take advantage of the nice defrosted windows with a heated steering wheel and heated seats ready to roll for you, you have that option. Got the black cloth seats. It's got the power driver seat, showing you that works here just fine. And another thing I like about this van, it's got the push button start. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, just get in here. You don't have to fish it out. Put your foot on the brake, push the button. The van officially starts up. 26,473 miles. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. It's got your backup camera. That's a great safety feature to have. And it's also got your heated seats and heated steering wheel. Probably not going to need those anytime soon, but they're a nice a feature to have when it is cold out. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. The power mirrors here working. We tested the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking these on a road test, check the tires, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we don't just throw these on the lot, after putting them through the car wash. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. And I hope you can tell by our videos we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the van on this 100 and some degree pavement, you can see there's no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust from being up north, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. We got our air conditioner dripping back there a little bit. That's exactly what it's supposed to do, so no problems there. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it only has 26,000 miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. I do see a minor about the size of my fingernail right there. Tiny little ding. Maybe someone got them with the edge of a door or something super small. You probably wouldn't notice if I didn't show you, but if I see it, I want you to see it. But back to the point I was making, they assume it's never been in a bad accident, never been in a flood. I'll tell you what, folks, this time of year, imagine Houston right now. Unfortunately, thoughts going out with all the people in Houston. Hope everyone's safe. But tons of flooding down there. There's brand new car dealerships getting flooded right now as we speak. So my point is, do not assume just because it's new or just because it looks good don't assume these things. What I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I am sending you to the competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show their reputation online with thousands of reviews so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother snapping a couple measly pictures of the undercarriage so you can see there's no flood damage, no bent metal from an accident? Do they crawl up on the roof to take pictures and video of the roof so you know there's not any hail damage or any other dents or damage up there? You know how many vehicles I see at auction that have hail damage on the roof, or they've got holes cut in the roof from someone using it as a taxi that never got repaired, but nobody looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. I go climb up on that overpass on this bridge here. I'll show it to you when we go on our test drive. I get pictures. I'm fixing to do a detailed video of the roof as well. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are, and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. And tell me, what ends up happening if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with somebody that's a shady individual? What happens if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage from an accident or a flood and it won't pass inspection in your state? In both of those cases, and many more cases, you can't get a title for the vehicle, you can't drive it. You just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So no matter who you buy from, make sure you do 4 things before you buy from them. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not purchasing a $50 handbag off eBay right now. This is a big purchase. Demand a detailed video. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax are expensive. They cost me thousands of dollars a month, but they are the most thorough inspection, vehicle VIN number inspection there is on the market out there. I demand the best. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. We've talked about this earlier. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Find out who you're buying from, and then finally, demand a warranty. As I mentioned, the van comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty, best in the industry. Check it out. I'm showing you the roof here. The roof matters, folks. And then also the van meets the specs being the full bumper-to-bumper warranty from Chrysler as well. So let's get the van out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway. Oh, by the way, that's overpass. I get on, put the vans down there, pull up on that overpass, get pictures of the roof. But I like to get them on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this Chrysler home. We've done our due diligence, made sure that it's roadworthy, runs and drives like a brand new van, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good as well. Now keep in mind, we do have the conversion warranty along with the specs to be under the full bumper-to-bumper warranty. We do sell very long extended warranties that also cover the vehicle nationwide. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, what they have hidden in the fine print, or they don't tell you about until it's time to close the deal. $500 administrative fee. They got document fees. They got tag fees. They got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I don't have any hidden fees, and that's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a direct line to call or text me. Text is the easiest way to get a hold of us. We stay super busy every second of the day, but if you need to call, we'll answer voicemails in the order they were received, but text is definitely the best way to get a hold of us. Shoot us a text, let us know how we can help. We can shoot you a call after that. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you just call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman. Give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish. And I promise you, I'm going to sell this Chrysler whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Or we can text us, we'll call you and get one taken care of. Yes, we do take trade-ins. even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you ever do want to come in to see our inventory, we'd love to spend some time with you, but you must make an appointment with us. You have no idea how many people I talk to. I said, did you watch the video? And they show up from states away. Well, yeah, I was gonna make an appointment, but no, you have to make an appointment. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. We've got 4 different locations for vans. Help us help you. Make that appointment. We really appreciate it. And I've made it to the end of our video. Thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of each van, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, all with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out the mobility316.com website, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that text or that call today. Have yourself a wonderful day.